Hey guys, welcome to Drew Tutorial. If you are new here, special welcome. In this video, I will show you how to screenshot an entire web page on Windows. So the first thing that we are going to do is to first open our browser. Now, once you open your browser, what we're going to do next is to, of course, go into the page that we want to screenshot. So, of course, we want to screenshot this. However, we can screenshot it in one click because it will only take about all of your screen right here. So, from here to here. We don't want that, so we want to screenshot all of the page right here, including the videos at the bottom. So to do that, what we can do here is to just basically right click on your screen and then you will be able to see this inspect button. So click on inspect and then you will see this devices, which is the toggle device emulation. So make sure that you click that and then you will be able to see this more options. So click on this and then you will see this capture full size screenshot. So click on that and then you will be able to see this. So look for the file right here. You should be able to see the file. And then once you see the file right here, just click on open file. And then this is what it's going to look like. So as you can see right here, if we zoom in, we will be able to see that this is the YouTube channel, but it actually covered and captured all of the videos, including at the bottom. So as you can see right there, there is the videos. So what we can do next, if you don't have that feature, is just refresh this and close this. So what you can do here, if you have this feature, is to click on Control Shift and then S on your keyboard, and then click on Capture Full Page. So once you do that, this should pop up. So just click on Save, and then click on Open File, and then that will actually do the same thing. So if we zoom in right here, you will be able to see that it is the same thing from the previous one. So after that, you can send it to whoever you want to, and then that should fix your problem. So that is basically it.